Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm just so glad to see you. I've got my scissors, you know what that means. I'm about to open a mystery box. This is a mystery box from Jomar Wholesale, and this is one of my favorite boxes. This is Shannon's staff pick box. It doesn't come up for sale that often, but when it does, I run and try and get one as soon as I can. She's a woman who works at Jomar, and she sees the inventory and must set stuff aside to make boxes. And in my experience, they're some of the very best boxes that I've got from Jomar. Now, I always tell you guys,
manage your expectations when you buy any kind of mystery box, because some are duds, some are amazing, most are kind of somewhere in the middle.
But I do have kind of high expectations for this box just because I've got it a few times before and it's been good. So let's get this baby open and I'll give you a first peek at what I see when I open the box, and then we're gonna open it. I like their new tissue paper with the stars, Jomar, that's cute. Okay, and about this box, it's a pre-owned women's clothing. Well, it's not even women's, it's a pre-owned box. There can be shoes, bags, I see some jeans maybe, some different stuff. So Shannon's box is just a mixed pre-owned box. I've got kids stuff in here, belts, handbags, shoes, dresses. It can be kind of anything, and I just accept it. I get these boxes from Jomar for my reselling business. I've been reselling mostly clothing and fashion on eBay for 10 years. I've been on Poshmark a few years. I also sell on Etsy, and I sell to Thredup. So with all those places to resell, I'm sure there's some things in this box that I can flip for profit. I am an affiliate for Jomar. My discount code is the Grateful Queen. If you put that in when you are checking out, you get a discount, and then I earn credit. So I truly appreciate anyone who's used my link. And if you use it, message me and let me know what box you got and how you liked it. I don't know what this is, but it's like so adorable. I think, is this called Kelly Green? I think it might be. It's a purse, and I don't know. Let's see. It is by Calista Crafts, made in Greece. Never even heard of it. Look at this. I'm going to be showing you tags, and then if I research and I find out anything about these brands or what comps might be, listen for a click or a dollar sign or something. I'll pop stuff up on the screen. This feels super duper soft. It's very cute. I don't know much about it, but we shall learn. I love this brand right here. I'm going to pull these shoes out. This box is just so fun because you really have no idea what you're going to get. This is by, these are Born, and these are so trending right now, you guys. I'm filming this in December 2021, and that chunky heel, anything that looks like it was really popular in the 90s when I went to high school, is on trend. These look new. Like, these are new. I will be listing these as new without tags because look at the tread. There's 0 marks on there. What size are these? I'll try and tell you sizes because often you'll message me and you want something from the haul, and that's no problem. I can send you a invoice through PayPal, or you can wait till I get it listed.
But that's not going to be anytime soon. I'm not a quick lister.
These are a size 6, so kind of a little size. Cute. I went to Zumba today, friends. I've been trying to go 3 times a week, and it is a hard class. So I'm drinking a lot of water. This feels like something so soft. Like, I'm gonna guess these are cashmere. I could be wrong, but these are a pair of women's pants. Oh my goodness. The cashmere collection only at Bloomingdale's. Oh my goodness. I've never owned cashmere pants. Have you guys? Size medium? Wow. These are like a baby blue, so soft, wide leg pants. Could there be flaws on some of these items? Absolutely. This is a pre-owned box, and I can guarantee you every pre-owned box I've ever got, there's some item with a little hole or a little stain or something they might have missed. That's mystery box land, guys. Just being honest, that's just the way it goes. And what made me think of that is cashmere gets little holes. It's just that type of fabric, so I'll look these over carefully. I don't see flaws right now. I might when I get it under my lights to take photos, so, and then if it has flaws, like if I find a little baby hole on these, which I don't see right now at all, then I'd have to keep them. Oh. You guys have watched my channel, you're like, I know, Quenby, you always tell us you keep the inventory and you're not supposed to. These are Cloth and Stone, made with love for anthropology, so that ups these. Cloth and Stone is a fantastic brand. It's expensive. You can find it though at places like TJ Maxx, but even there, these pants are probably $40 there. These are interesting because they're paint splatter, so they're like a, you know, a pull-on comfort pant with pockets, but they have intentional paint splatter, so that's kind of neat. And they collab, I guess, with Anthropology. These are an extra small. I think they're probably that Tencel Lyocell. And they're a jogger. When they have the elastic at the ankle, then it's called a jogger. I love you, Shannon. I like want to come to Jomar sometime and meet you and tour the warehouse. The warehouse is in Philly. And my understanding, Jomar, it's a women-owned small business, so I feel really good about supporting them. These are Marguerite, size 8, 100% leather pants. These look vintage. So these feel like that butter soft leather. Like I'd probably put that in my title and description. And look at the hem. On the back, the hem has a slit in it. So that's a really attractive feature. Wowzer. Those are amazing. Let me know in the comments, do you own a pair of leather pants? Have you ever owned a pair of leather pants? Should I? Should I own a pair of leather pants? Friends, did you take a moment to subscribe to the channel? Please hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. The bell will give you a notification when I go live. I do a live every Friday on the channel called Reseller Community Night. When new unboxing videos come out, you'll get just a notification to let you know. And I'd love to see you here, so hopefully you subscribe. Oh my God, this has got to be silk. So we've had cashmere, leather, and now we're getting something that is silk that feels extraordinary. Wow, this is special. I don't know what it is. The brand is Laboratorio. Sorry, guys. I've never seen this tag, which is something I absolutely love about mystery boxes, because it's one of the things I love about reselling business is I'm constantly learning and growing. And I buy these mystery boxes, I get these brands, I'm like, never heard of it, then I look it up. And that means I'm getting a lot more information about brands that sell well on Poshmark and eBay and Bolo brands. And then when I go out thrifting, I'm a better sourcer because I know what to look for. This is 100% silk. And I can't wait to research this. The print, I'm going to hold it up to the camera. I think it's grease. It looks to me like grease. Like, look at this. I don't know if this is men's or women's. What a unique piece. And in my experience, these unique pieces sell way better on eBay. Shannon, you are an extraordinary picker. You find such good stuff. I'm so grateful. What is this? This is a little jacket. She finds really unique stuff. I can't even read this tag. Scramble, maybe? If you know anything, please, in the comments, educate us. Let us know if you ever found it. This is kind of like an art to wear piece. I'm going to try it on because I don't know how else to show this baby. Like, hello, I'm a jacket, and I've got, it looks almost hand painted. I'm painted with things, and it's mixed media, so this side of the jacket's yellow. I mean, I would list this on eBay, and here's what I would put for a title. This is a Free People top. It's so thin and gauzy, the lace, that it keeps tearing a little bit, but I wanted to wear it in a video for you guys. See, there's like a tear here from the hanger. Just from hanging it in the closet, my hanger tore it. So anyway, so I think what I would put on this one, I think this is a jacket, right? Scramble women's jacket. It says one size. I would put large. Size large. Art to wear. Mixed media. Lag and look. Artsy. I think the back is silk. Silk, hand painted. What an interesting piece. And if I learn anything else about the brand, I'll put that in. This is my favorite box because there's nothing more fun than this box. There's so much great stuff in here. MING Casual. I don't think this is a crazy brand, but these are really cute. This might even be like an H&M type brand, you guys. But these for style, they're almost like a sweater knit with this adorable print. They're tiny shorts.
Oh, my name is Torvald. I just got a YouTube channel, and it's called Torvald Plays.
So if you guys could go over and subscribe real quick, that would be awesome. So like, please go subscribe. It's Torvald Plays, no space. So
What kind of channel is it?
it's a Minecraft channel. So please go subscribe so I can get more subscribers.
This is so cute. Penguin brand. This is a men's shirt. Maybe I'll give it to Petey for Christmas. This is a classic brand, but look, it's got a penguin with palm trees. Oh, look at the print on this. It's like painted dots, and it's so gauzy thin. This is like a super thin. Oh my goodness. Shannon, you're amazing. I wonder if I could write her a thank you note. Amanda Bound, I don't know, you guys. Hand dyed in Los Angeles. That sounds good. How'd these end up in Philly? How'd these end up in the warehouse in Philadelphia? These are another very unique item. You gotta check these out. So they have smocking at the waist. Then they're wide leg. And when I say tissue thin, so I would put Amanda Biard, women's pants size small, gauze, polka dot, lightweight, thin, wide leg, palazzo. These are incredible. Now they're very tiny, but they're stretchy. These you'd have to wear with they're see-through almost. You'd have to wear like a bathing suit under them or something. Very gorgeous. Citizens of Humanity. Now this brand is hit or miss depending on the style. It is sometimes sold. They collab both with Free People and Anthropology. So it just depends on the style. These are the Kelly low waist boot cut. These are cool. They have a great wash. So like when I'm out sourcing, I only pick this brand up if I look it up, because some of it is worth like $10 and some of it's worth $50 or $75. Size 25, a small size, but these look cool and they look excellent condition. They have a big flare. So they come down, they're a boot cut, but to me it looks like a big flare, so that's good. Oh my God, these are cool. So these are Zara basic, but the wash on these jeans is absolutely incredible. Lightweight, oh my gosh, why won't these be my size? They're a size 2. Put a 1 in front of that, they might fit me. Okay, super high-waisted, distressed, and look at huge wide leg, and then a released hem. Oh my God, these are so on trend. A lot of people are talking about skinny jeans going out. I'm filming this in December 2021. People are talking about skinny jeans going out. People want a relaxed fit, a big, huge bell-bottom flare, or a wide leg, or like a boyfriend jean. So, and these are destroyed. I don't know whether it's intentional, manufactured, or if someone did that by hand, but either way. See, this is the stuff I can't wait to list. Like, this is the stuff that makes me, what the heck-a-roo? This is what makes me excited as a reseller. These really unique, fun items. You guys, when you shop on Jomar, always use a discount. And get on their email list because they're always having sales. Like 30% off or free shipping. Okay, I do not know what this says, but it's Italian because it says Milano and it's got European sizing 44. I have no clue what this says. Maybe I can do like a Google Lens image search. Do any of you recognize this? This is the most incredible thing. It's a jacket. Oh my God, it might be vintage. This is all beaded with pearls. It's got a little bow tie. And then the cuffs, heavy, heavy beaded with pearls. Oh my gosh, like this is so incredible. I don't know much about it. It's a long blazer with shoulder pads. To me, it looks vintage, but how can it be in such perfect shape? There's a little bit of like staining on the ivory bow. I'll try and wash it by hand. It's lined. It's 100% wool. I think this is a vintage coat. Oh gosh, you guys. If this would fit my mom, she might wear it, but it looks kind of small. Looks kind of teeny weeny. That is absolutely incredible. Incredible. Ooh, good, more denim. Now's the time when denim sells. J.W. Anderson. It's a collab with Uniqlo. So I'm not sure who that is, but another pair of high-rise jeans. Kind of a straight leg. Are these men's? They do have a nice deep pocket, so I think these might be men's. And this is Mark D. Sykes, another brand I've never heard of. I'm so excited to look this stuff up. Marks D. Sykes, and this is like a little cropped tube top, you guys. It's a little cropped, off the shoulder, ruffly tube top situation. God, I love the clothes. This is a size 2, so I'll have to look this brand up. It looks really great. Shannon, you're an amazing picker. I'm so thankful to you and Jomar. If you see this box, I think the safest boxes at Jomar, this box in my opinion, in my experience, and then new tag boxes, because you know you're gonna get like the least amount of damaged items and stuff in the new tag boxes. The Free People boxes have been amazing for me. Do your research before buying, and if you do and you use my discount link, let me know how you do. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Love you guys, see you next time. Let's get it set up. I'm working against the light today, which makes me a little nervous. That sunlight coming in. I could move over here a teeny bit. Hopefully you won't see like my messy living room. I feel like you guys are a little far away. I might move you in a little. Go like that again. Is that gonna help? No, we're not gonna open it. I already said that. I already said we're gonna open it. Go on, babe. Okay, so I got the box. I've got the box open. Let me find a way to show it to you. Oh gosh, Quimby, yeah. Wearing yourself out over here. So, really great. I see some citizens. Oh, my whole pile just fell. And you can use my discount link, The Grateful Queen. It's not a link, it's a code. I put the makeup on, so I'm like gonna film at least a couple of videos. I feel like there's something on my lens. Am I supposed to clean my lens? I don't know anything. I bought this expensive camera last year as a write-off. There, maybe that's better. I feel like my picture's clearer. You don't want to see me that up close. Anyway, I don't even know what I was talking about, but my living room's a disaster.